should know that. You used to jump.
That's not where you came from. That's actually over there.
Ice. Don't you love his language? Ice. Look the way he plays with you. So cute. He's too cute.
He's like, oh, Titi, I can't wait for you to buy me something expensive tomorrow.
like a Porsche. Or Mercedes.
Whoa!
Oh! Oh.
Rowan, where are you? Oh, I'm just hanging out in Paris. That's the Eiffel Tower. And here I am. Cool dude. Tell Daddy you love him. I love you, Daddy.
You're not going in between these beds. And please, for the love of God, stop rubbing your face on these sheets.
Baby, you're getting tired, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yes, Mama.
He's like, no.
Rowan.
Yes, Mama.
Rowan.
Why don't you show Daddy that motion you were just doing a couple minutes ago?
Hey, I'm recording. Relax, girl.
This is for Daddy. Should be good. He should see what his son has learned from him.
Mama. He's okay. She's okay.
No, there's a gap between.
No, I know, but well.
Oh,
yeah.
kid. Ooh.
Boogie.
Oh my God, kid. That is
So
not where you
dramatic.
came.